In this video I'm gonna replace battery on 2016 Toyota Corolla. Battery is working fine, but as you can see it's already covered with all this. So I'm gonna replace the battery and I'll show you what I do to make battery last longer. By the way, battery was purchased at Costco. This one and next one, they offer 3-year warranty and usually they have really good price. Start by removing negative terminal. Size here is 10 mm. Let's work on the positive side. Now I'm gonna remove this battery mount. It's also 10 mm bolt and nut. Now you can remove the battery. Gonna clean connectors a bit with brake parts cleaner. Now I'm gonna insert new battery. Since those two are blocked, I'm gonna start by securing the mount. Gonna start with positive terminal, and I'm gonna be using battery cleaner protectant. Gonna secure this 10 mm nut. And finally, let's work on negative terminal. Same thing, battery cleaner and protectant. And secure 10 mm nut. That's how you change a battery. I think anyone could do it. As you can see, this one, like I said before, it was working fine, but it's just a matter of time till it stops working. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll reply as soon as I can. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for battery cleaner protectant and tools I use to get this job done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.